Okay, today we're going to look at this Quaker State oil filter, number QS5. And I got this oil filter at menards.com for $1.99 plus shipping, but you may be able to find it cheaper somewhere else. So let's get started.
This is up for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration right here.
Okay, let's open her up and see what she looks like. There's not much information on the box. Some writing on here, but it's nothing really important. Let's look at the date code. F12K22F1. Look over here. Made in USA. Distributed by Sopus Products. Houston, Texas. 6 elongated inlet holes. And I don't think this has a bypass valve. Metal core with louvers. And nitro rubber gasket. Which is on here. It's on here okay. It's pretty thick too. Look at that. And you got about 4 threads there. And it looks like a nitro rubber anti-drain back valve. It's a big filter. Alright, let's cut this filter open and see what's inside. Okay, here she is cut open. Let's get her weight. 430 grams. The base plate weighs 195 grams. Take a quick look at the base plate here. Yeah, we've seen the threads before. It's got about 4 grooves there. Base plate looks nice. And resembles a purelator, doesn't it? See why in a second. But look at the anti-drain back valve. Nitro rubber. And it covers up the holes nicely. So it's all nice. Okay, the filter element. Filter element weighs 134 grams. And I counted 52 pleats, metal crimp seam. Nice and clean though. This is a nice clean filter. No bypass valve. Metal end caps. And the string here kind of gives it away. Looks like a purelator to me. But I looked on Menards website, and they say that this is a special, well, they call it a special blend of cellulose and synthetic microfibers. I don't have no micron rating though. It looks nice and clean. And what do we got in the can? Stamp leaf spring. 10 grams. The can itself weighs 86 grams. And the inside of the can is clean. Look at that. Sparkly clean. Let's get some measurements. The can is very thin though. I was getting like 0.36 millimeters. Yeah, see that? 0.35 millimeters. Very thin can. Because usually they're 4 to 5. 0.4 to 0.5 millimeters. And the filter media itself is 3.64 inches wide. Yeah, so I would say this is made by Purelator. It looks like a Purelator filter. Very clean though. You know what else I noticed? The glue that they're using. They're using that same kind of glue that looks like on their Purelator Boss filters. Nice. It's like a cream colored glue. They got a little bit on here. And actually, I think it's a better glue. It's harder. Because when you do it with your fingernails, it's not soft like that darker glue. So I think that's a better glue. That's just my opinion, but okay, let's cut this filter open and stretch her out, see how long she is. Okay, here's the filter media all stretched out. And she's 74 inches long. A lot of filter media. Okay, here we are at the seam, and let's see how thick this filter media is. 1.10 millimeters. That's pretty thick. 1.09 millimeters. 0. Okay. Yeah, it's thicker than most. Usually it's about 0.8. Thick stuff. Too bad I don't have a micron rating. It's probably similar to the other Purelators. Could be similar to the Motorcraft. Okay, let's look at the rest of the filter. So we got the can. The can's a little bit on the thin side, but I'm sure it's okay. Metal core with louvers. Base plate's nice. You know, this all covers up nice, so that's all nice. Leaf spring, stamp leaf spring. And we got this nice thread around it. I wonder if somebody actually ties the knots on these or a machine does it. Yeah, that's cool. So actually, if you got a Menards by you, which I had to order this, but if you got one by where you live, it's a pretty cheap filter. It's only $1.99. For that price, I would say it's a pretty good filter. What do you guys think? Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The filter media weighs 40 grams.